Good morning, children. Now let us start with the last exercise concept. The question is, next one, the general form of a straight line. Now, each of the line parallel to the line x plus by plus c equal to 0 is of the form. The extreme weight of it is equal. The constant may only change in some c decay. Here, whether it is minus c or plus c, with fraction or without fraction, or number not involved. A will look like k plus k. That is called parallel. Each of the line perpendicular to the line a plus b plus c equal to 0 is of the form in some constant k. But here consider the co-unit x and y, a and b is not. Interchange the co-unit x and y. If a is there, if b is there. The co-unit is what? A and b interchange. And the a and b only interchange. Bx, ay, a in between plus 3 minus 3 plus. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 6 to 2. Parallel is the form 3y plus only k. It's a parallel. Only before by constant. Perpendicular means 3 to 1 interchange. 3x to y sin is what? Minus plus equal plus. Then assume plus k. This is called perpendicular equation. This is a parallel equation. Mind it? You got a concept there? Parallel equation is of the form only divided by constant. Perpendicular equation is of the form divided by the co-units of x and y interchange and change the sign and also divided by constant. This is the idea. For using this idea, find the slope of the following segment. Not with this idea, with this idea. What slope only asking? Slope means, listen here, slope of the line 5y minus 3 equal to 0 is, only one slope is m. What's the formula? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. This is the formula. And second journey is the formula. Now substitute here. Minus the coefficient is what? No x1. That's a 0. Divided by the coefficient is what? 5. 0 by 5 only 0. This is called slope. So next question again. Slope of 7x minus 3 is 17 equal to 0 is again write the formula clearly. Minus the coefficient of x by coefficient of y is minus coefficient is what? 7. Then coefficient of y is what? You know y term 0. Any number may 0 will be infinity. Numerator whatever may be, denominator may be infinity. The same thing again. Find the slope of the line which is parallel to something. That is what? The same thing only. Slope of y equal to 0.7x minus 0.y. This can be done. Already you know. The slope following minus co into x by coefficient y. But the question is of the form ax plus by plus equal to 0. That's why this can be done. 0.7x. This y comes as minus y. Only minus 0.7 is what's the formula? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y is the formula. What is the answer? Minus 0.7 by minus 1. Remember? Minus cancel 0.7. What is the answer? Parallel is asking. Therefore, the parallel slope is the same thing will be. That's all. Suppose the next one is perpendicular is asking. That means the whatever the number, change the sign and reciprocal. Change the sign and reciprocal is called perpendicular slope. But here, what is asking? Only parallel slope is asking. The second subdivision, perpendicular to what is the question? X equal to minus 7. Same thing only. Slope of x equal to minus 7 is what's the formula? Minus the coefficient of x 0. Okay? But what is asking? The perpendicular slope is asking. The word is what? Perpendicular. So, actually this is M. Perpendicular means equal to minus 1 by M. Change sign is equal to L, which is equal to now change sign plus is equal to 0 by 1. That is 0. That is the answer. Change sign and this is called perpendicular slope. Anyway, when a second given me, the slope formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. This is the important formula. Mind it. Now listen here. 2 more questions important question. Check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. Already I told you. The key words for finding parallel or perpendicular. What I told you? When we use the slope formula, the question involving parallel, perpendicular, altitude, right angle, slope. These are all the words involving you will find the slope. To find the slope of the equation, we have 3 formulas. Am I right? When 2 points are given me, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y1. When angle theta given me, tan theta is the slope formula. When second given me, equation given me, minus coefficient of x by divided by coefficient of y. This is the formula. But every line is given. That's why I am finding, suppose 2 equations are given. First I am finding slope of the line, first line, x by 3, y by 4, 1 by 7 equal to 0 is going to be m1. There are 2 equations are given. First one is m1. What is the formula? The minus coefficient short form CO E double F coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of y. What is the answer? This is equal to x coefficient of you number 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 4. What is reciprocal? Minus 4 by 3 is the answer for M1. Am I right? First answer over. Similarly, next one, slope of the second equation is 2x, slope of the line, 2x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 10 equal to 0 is the same formula, m2 equal to minus the coefficient what 2 by 3, m what 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal? 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Therefore, by chance, both slopes are equal since m1 equal to m2. Therefore, they are parallel. Already told you, 2 slopes are equal mean both the lines are parallel. Product of 2 slopes equal minus mean perpendicular. Multiply m1 into m2. Suppose we look at the value is what? Minus 1 is coming, that is what perpendicular. This idea. Both the slopes are equal mean parallel. If it is product of the 2 slopes equal minus 1 mean they are perpendicular. In this way, again, one more question. Second solution. Slope of the line, which line? 5x 23y plus 14 equal to 0 is m1. Write the formula. Minus coefficient x by the coefficient of y. You got minus x for 5y, the 23. That's all. Similarly, slope of the line for next line 23x minus 5y plus 9 equal to 0 is m2 minus the coefficient of x equal to 23 divided by the coefficient is minus 5, it's cancelled. Minus cancelled. You get the answer 23 by 5. Now after finding the slopes, they are not equal. Now you want to multiply both. Now m1 is m2 equal to minus 20 by 3, 5 by 23 into 23 by 5. 5 by cancel, this also cancel. The product of the 2 slopes equal to minus 1. Therefore, they are perpendicular. perpendicular lines. Perpendicular, that's all. Very important simple concept. To find slope of the first line, slope of second line, let it be m1 and m2. Suppose both are equal mean parallel. Okay? Minus 4 by 3 is also minus 4 by 3. They are equal. Not equal, no. Not multiple. Suppose they are not equal. Product of the close to not equal minus 1. That means what? Your calculus of one sense, you check yourself. Maybe, what is what? Show that the following given cases are parallel or perpendicular is asking. That's why definitely, suppose both will be equal will come. Otherwise, product of the two slopes to minus 1 will come. That's why definitely minus 1 will come there. They are perpendicular. In this type of question, very important one question. Very simple concept. You will find slope m1 and m2. If it is equal mean parallel. If it is product of the two slopes minus 1 mean they are perpendicular. That's all. This is the fourth question. If the set lines 12y equal to minus of p plus 3 x plus 12 and 12x minus 1y equal to 16 are the perpendicular. Find the limit. So equals given. What is the formula? Minus co into x plus co. That's why you write the question in order. First this is the question. First equals given. First term the whole term becomes the same. b plus 3 into x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. X term, y term, constant term. Let me 1. Am I right? Which implies x term, y term minus constant term equal to 0. Second equation. Now what is the formula? The slope formula is minus the coefficient of x by the coefficient of y is the formula. Now slope of the first equation, what is the formula? It will be m1 minus the coefficient part b plus 3 by y term is what? That's all. Again, slope of second equation. What is the formula? It will be m2 equal to minus the coefficient part 12 by here y coefficient of minus 7. Minus minus cancel 12 by 7. This is m2. Okay? The m2. Am I right? You want to find out. Now since what is given? They are perpendicular is given. Perpendicular is given means what is the formula? m1 into m2 is minus 1 is the formula. Now substitute the m1 value minus b plus 2, sorry, b plus 3 by 12 into m is what? 12 by 7 equal to minus 1. Am I right? Now 12 cancel. The minus minus also cancel. What is numerator? Numerator is b plus 3 by 1 is 7 is there. Equal to 1 is there. Because minus cancel. b plus 3 equal to cross multiply 7 plus 7. We want p. So 7 minus 3 that is 4 is the answer. This also we want to 1%. Two lines are perpendicular. That means what? From the first equation m2, second equation from second equation m2 you will find. After if it is perpendicular given, the same we use the formula m1 into m2 minus 1. Suppose the same question, if it is parallel mean m1 into m2 substitute the value we get the p value. This is the idea. Here the question clearly, the perpendicular is given. The same we use the formula m1 into m2. But I say only by using the small formula and a small idea. That's all. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the equation of straight line. What line is asking? Passing through the point B minus 5 what is given. What point is given? And parallel to the line joining the point P1R is given. Already told you the word parallel in morning. That's your friend slope. The slope, what is the formula? When 2 points are given, this is the formula. Okay? Now, slope of Q and R, Q is what? 3, minus 2, and R is what? Minus 5, 4. Okay? Minus 5, 4. In x1, y1, x2, y2. Equal what? y2 minus y1. 4 minus half minus plus 2. y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2 minus minus plus 2. What is what? x2 minus 5 minus 3 audible 6 divided by minus 8. It is what? 3 by minus 4. Okay? Therefore, this is not parallel slope. The parallel slope is m equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay? In this way, you find the slope of m. Already one point you know. What is given point? Given point, the a is, the b is, one point only you know, minus 5, 2, and x1, y1. This slope, point. One slope. One point slope, what is called? Equation of a line, what is called? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. One slope, one point, when it is the formula. One point diagonal. Slope you have to find. Therefore, one slope, one point. This is the equation. Y is minus 2 equal to m is what? Minus 3 by 4. In the x minus x is what? Minus 5. Formula minus plus 5. Last one by 4 into y minus 2. Minus 3 into x plus 5. What do you mean? 4y minus 8. Minus 3x minus 15. Okay? Already told you know, it's 0. The all will come say 3x plus 15. Already what is that? Plus 4y minus 8 is there. Now right now x come, then y there. 15 minus x what? 7 equal to 0. This is the third equation. Here parallel is given. That's why we use slope formula. Perpendicular means same method. By the slope formula you can slope. After perpendicular means change sign and reciprocal. That is called m. What is the same way of saying? It's a parallel. Suppose perpendicular equal to mean the same formula. After finding slope, you will find the perpendicular slope. You know, we m equal to change sign and reciprocal. And your point is given. The same formula, the same method. Next question, the same perpendicular. This equation, parallel equation. Next one is what? Perpendicular equation. Both the same method, the same material. Extra, it's a parallel slope. You will find the perpendicular. Change the sign and reciprocal. That's it. Now, fifth question. Find the equivalent side line passing through one point and perpendicular to the line at the 2 points. Perpendicular very normally that's why we use slope formula. Slope of the point, what are the point? 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute y2 minus y3, sorry, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, minus 7 minus 4, okay? Minus cancel, 5 into 2. Now what? What is the morning here? Perpendicular morning. Therefore, perpendicular slope m equal to changes the sign. No sign plus minus. This is what? 2 by 5. This is called the rule. Then another point is given. 6 comma minus 2. Given point is 6 comma minus 2. This is called x1 y1. Can you say that one slope, one point? Same formula. Y minus y1 plus 2. That is what? Minus 2 by 5. X minus x1 is what? 6. Now cross multiply 5 into y plus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into x minus 6. Multiply 5y 5 into 10 minus 2 into x minus 2x minus and minus plus 2 6 are 12. Okay? This equal to 1 first part is x no. That's why this term comes to sign plus 2x minus 12. The same thing. 5y% more change. Now 2 into 2x plus 5y 10 minus 12 is minus 2 equal to 2. One is positive and negative. Bigger number is 12y. Bigger number is minus. 12 minus 10 is the answer. Reach question parallel. That means this is parallel slope. Perpendicular means after that is slope change sign and reciprocal. That is called m. One point given. 1.1 slope formula. Same thing only. What a question. Seventh question. 3 points are given. A, B, C given. The bits of line A and C. Find the equation of the altitude 3A and B asking. Already the same problem. Already I did this previous exercise. Am I right? Only one point may be given. 5 marks. The 2 points are asking. That's why 2 problems. First find to find the equation of altitude 3A. Through A. So A to opposite of BC. This will be B. Am I right? Already altitude. The word altitude involving slope formula. The slope of BC. Let it be x1, y1, x2, y2. What's the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. Substitute here 3 minus half minus plus 2. 12 minus 10. You got what? 5 by 2. What we need? Slope of AD. Slope of AD equal to this is what? AD is what? Perpendicular slope of BC. That is what it is M equal to perpendicular slope means change the sign of reciprocal minus 2 by 5. And plus is there minus. Reciprocal is what 2 by 5. This is M. Then point A is what? The point A is minus 3 comma 2. Am I right? Minus 3 comma 2. Let it be x1 y1. Am I right? Now equation of the altitude 2A is what is the formula? 1.1 slope formula. Y minus y is what? 0. M is what? Minus 2 by 5. X minus x1 is what? Minus 1 formula minus now plus 3. Cos 1 by 5 into y minus 0 y only. Minus 2x into 2 into minus 2 into x plus 3. Now multiply 5y equal to minus 2x plus 3 minus 6x. Am I right? Minus 2 into x minus 2x minus x plus minus 2 to 6. Now right now 2x, am I right? Plus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of the altitude 2A. Next one is what? Equation of the altitude through B. Next equation of the find the equation of the altitude through B. You get order? A, B, C. Through B means from here to here. This vertical line will be E. Am I right? What is the first one? Minus 3, 2, 3, 0. The second one? Minus 2, minus 10, minus 2. 13, 12, 13. Sorry, 12, 3. Now, through B, no, the opposite B is what? AC. That's why, to find the slope of AC, what I will do? I will x1, y1, x2, you know. Already we know the formula. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now, back and answer 3 minus or minus plus 2. 12 minus 10. Am I right? That is 5 by 2. B1, slope of B. Therefore, slope of B equal to the perpendicular slope of AC. Am I right? And let it be M equal to the change sign is equal to what? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 is equal. Now, slope of AC means you will consider AC, you know, not BC. Not BC. Am I correct? Slope of through altitude through B means the opposite is what? AC. The slope of AC is x1 y1 is x2 y2. What is the formula? y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0, 12 minus of minus 3 plus 3, 3. So 3 by 15. Am I correct? 1 by 5. Am I correct? Now change the sign and reciprocal is minus 5 divided by 1. 1 in a way. 1 by 5 already divided. Change the sign is only what? Minus 5 by 1. That is only 5. And the point is what? The point B is, what is the point? B. 0, 10, comma, minus 2. That will be x1. Now find equation of altitude through B. Double factor. Now equation of the altitude through B. Through B. 1 point is over now. Already find out so M. 1 point is given. Y minus y1 minus 2 m plus 2. M is what? Minus 5. X minus 10. Now multiply minus 5x plus 10. Sorry. 5 10 plus 50. Now what is in order? X from the same. 5x minus 50. Already what is there? Y plus 2 is there. 5x plus y number. 2 minus 50. 50 is bigger number. Minus 50 minus 2. What is equal to? For two subs are asking, one is equation of altitude through A. Next one is what? Even altitude through B. Through B. So two subdivision. Actually, sometimes both are combined together 5 more. Otherwise, only one question, 5 more. Maybe 5 more. Important, 5 more question. Check the answer. The first one is equation of altitude through 2x 5y plus 3a cut. Second subdivision 5x plus y minus 48. Look at that. Put the heading 1 by 1. This is called first subdivision. This is called second subdivision. Am I right? That's all. Eighth question. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular, already you know, perpendicular, parallel, altitude, right angle, slope involved in by using slope formula, you will get slope, that area. Then, when you use midpoint formula, what is the formula of midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2, this is the formula. When you use this formula? Median, bisector, or bisecting, midpoint. This word you want to mean by using midpoint formula. Bisector, bisecting, median or midpoint. These are all the words you want to mean by using midpoint formula. Parallel, perpendicular, slope, altitude, right angle, slope. This way you want to mean by using slope formula. This is the way. That's why here perpendicular bisector. That's why I am using bisector. That's why midpoint. Midpoint of A is what? Minus 4 comma 2. B is what? 6 comma minus 4. Let it be x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay? x1 y2. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the formula. What is the sign? Minus 4 plus 6 by 2. Here 2 minus 4 by 2. Am I right? Here 2 by 2. Here minus 2 by 2. Cancel 1 minus. This is the midpoint over. Now third perpendicular line on. That's why the same thing. Slope of A is what? Minus 4 comma 2 and the B is what? 6 comma minus 4. Let it be x1 y1, x2 y2. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. Substitute y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. 6 formula having minus, but x1 is what? Minus 4. That's it plus 4. Add equal minus 6 by 10. Cancel minus 3 by 5. Am I right? Now perpendicular. Therefore perpendicular slope is what? Perpendicular means Change the sign in this equation. Plus 5 degree. Okay? Near plus. This is. And the 1 point is what? 1 point. What no? Again, 1 point is so far. Therefore, equation of perpendicular bisector are simply equation of the line. 1 point. One so far is y minus y1 equal to m and x by x1. Y minus, that will be x over, minus 1 plus 1. M is what? 5 degree. X minus 1. Multiply 3 into y plus 1 equal to 5 into x minus 1. Now multiply 3y plus 3. Here 5x minus 5. The 5x minus 5 is here to see here. This two term come this side, minus 3y minus 3, am I right? Equal to 0. Now 5x then minus 3y, numbers what? Minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 6, equal to 0. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. 5 more question. From the question, perpendicular, that means by the slope formula. Bisector, by using midpoint. In this way you find. That's all.